Upgrade your language. Which verb is stronger than worked on? Spearheaded. Replace led a team with a more modern management verb. Orchestrated. Instead of fixed a problem, use resolved. Which word implies you brought in money? Generated. A better word for changed, a process to make it better? Optimized. Which word sounds more professional for a tech CV? Implemented. Instead of help the company save money, use yielded cost savings. Which verb is best for reaching a goal? Attained. A stronger word for talk to clients? Consulted. Which is a buzzword that recruiters are tired of seeing? Synergy. Instead of responsible for a budget, use administered. Which word implies you were the first to do something? Pioneered. A better word for cut down on waste? Minimized. Instead of made a new app, use engineered. Which word is best for a teacher or trainer? Mentored. Instead of checked the data, use audited. A more powerful word for used. Leveraged. Which word implies you brought order to chaos? Streamlined. Instead of improved sales, use boosted. Which word is best for high-level planning? Conceptualized. A professional word for sold products? Promoted. Instead of responsible for training, use facilitated. Which verb implies you grew a department? Expanded. A better word for gave a speech. Presented. Instead of joined a group, use collaborated with. Which word implies you found a mistake early? Identified. Instead of managed a project, overused, use executed. Which word implies you made things happen faster? Accelerated. Instead of stayed within the rules, use complied. A more authoritative word for support. Advocated. Which word is best for showing you saved time? Consolidated. Instead of took part in, use contributed to. Which word implies you were the main creative? Authored. Instead of handled a crisis, use mitigated. Which word implies you were chosen by others? Appointed. A more active word for looked into. Investigated. Instead of thought up, use formulated. Which word implies you made a company look better? Enhanced. A better word for worked together. Synergized. Instead of reached a deal, use negotiated. Which word implies you made a process modern? Revitalized. Instead of finished, use finalized.